Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to do a lot of garden cleanup, harvest all of my peppers. Oh no, I put the list of everything. Saw something. I put the list of everything that I have here on the screen. I made a list so that I don't leave anything out. That's what I'm gonna do today. Um, So I don't know if I bring you all around for all of it. I take y'all around for whatever I gotta do today. So stick around and stay tuned for that. Okay, let's harvest these peppers. These are the jalapenos. And the big. That's the biggest one. It's huge. That's it. Nope. We got one bell pepper. It's a nice size. It's pretty big. Little bowl size. Is that it? That is it for that, but we do have another jalapeno. I hit my foot. Was it a pepper? I don't see it. That's it. Alright, they still got flowers. And we still have some giant macaroni. We have one starting to blush. And we got one more on here. Yep, I got one small one. Alright, let's go get the other ones. And hide. They're not all that huge. They're big enough for me. I'm gonna make pepper sauce. I think. Dehydrate them. Alright. And we'll overwinter this plant. Add that. Got a little one still on there. I think that is all. Nope. There's one more. Any more? Nope. That's about 7, 8 of them. They got flowers, so. Alright. Let's see if this pepper plant here got anything on it. I doubt it. Nope. Neither one of them, so I'm gonna cut them back over one of them as well. so that I can put onions in this bed. So that is it for the pepper plants. Oh, no, it's not. You got Jimmy Nardello's. So let's get the rest of these. We got two little small ones now here. We got four decent sized ones here. One is blushed. You got a few little babies, and then those. You can eat them in any size and any color. I think that's it. Nope, but it's not, because they're green, they're blending in. I'm gonna check the other plants too, because I might have left some on them, but I believe that is it. Yep, that's it. So that is all of my pepper harvest, which is a great harvest for November the 23rd in Zone 8A in Atlanta, Georgia Metro. And it gets cool at night, but today it's 50 some degrees. Whew. Alright, so that's that. So let's look at the to-do list and see what we've done. Let's set that on my freaking camera. Okay, let's check some stuff off. Okay, we harvested peppers. We harvested sweet potatoes. We need to go and pull the tomatoes. So we'll do that next. Alright guys, that is it for my peppers, for me harvesting them. I will pick y'all up either on the other camera, or, because this is my phone, on the other camera, or when I get back from going to pick up my greenhouse. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.